Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices and confirming backups. On your old phone, open Authenticator and verify cloud backup is on so your accounts export. This preserves codes and credentials. On the new phone, install Microsoft Authenticator and sign in with the same Microsoft account you use for backup. Once done, make sure device clocks are synced and internet is active on both phones. You'll trigger the migration from the old device. Do not delete Authenticator yet until you confirm everything restored on the new phone. Now you perform the transfer itself. On the old phone, open Authenticator, choose Export Accounts or use Cloud Recovery, and follow the prompts to generate a QR code or start a cloud restore. On the new phone, open Authenticator, choose Add Account or sign in to the same Microsoft account and select Restore from Backup. Then scan the QR or accept the incoming transfer. You must verify each restored account by entering a one-time code on the service to confirm the link. This prevents lockouts later. Finish by validating that each account on the new phone generates usable 6-digit codes. You should sign into your most critical services, email, work apps, banking, to confirm 2FA succeeds. Once satisfied, remove accounts from the old phone or uninstall Authenticator if you no longer need it. If something goes wrong, stay calm. Use saved backup codes, sign-in recovery options, or re-add the account manually using the service's QR setup page. If necessary, check device time settings and retry the restore. That fixes most mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.